Sinebe brand NBC250SV multifunction gas shielded welding. It won't be installed yet, it won't work. This video must be bookmarked. This machine can hold 15 kilograms and 5 kilograms wire pads. Solid medicine cores can be used. When we installed this 15 kilogram solder pad, we're going to take this flange off. Just install the wire pad. When installing 5 kilograms wire pads, this flange needs to be installed. Load the silk plate. Now we install the welding wire. Let's take a look. This is an industrial-grade wire feeder. This wire feeding wheel has 2 card slots. One side is 1.0 and the other side is 0.8. We according to the diameter of the welding wire used. To choose the size of the silk wheel, the welding wire passes through the wire feeder and is pressed in front. Press the welding wire into this wire feeder slot. The welding wire can be sent out of the wire feeder. Okay, let's take a look over here. This wire feeder has a scale here. Generally, just adjust the scale to 2.5 to 3 position. Don't twist it too tight. Twisting too tightly will flatten the welding wire, cause our muzzle to not be smooth. If it is too loose, it will send silk to slip. Generally choose 2.5 to 3. Now we install the welding gun. This is a European gun connector. Just align it with the hole when installing. Tighten screw. This machine can use solid welding wire flex core self-protective welding wire. When we use solid welding wire, this gun connector is to be connected to the positive electrode. The ground clamp is connected to the negative electrode. This is the connection method of solid carbon steel welding wire. When you use flex cord self-shielding welding wire, this adapter is connected to the negative electrode. Ground clamp positive electrode. This is the connection method of flex cord welding wire. This machine has 3 functions: gas shielded welding, manual welding, wiping arc pressure arc welding. When we use gas shielded welding, switch to the middle gas shielded welding position. This machine also has a wire drawing gun function. This is a built-in external switch. When manual welding using gas shielded welding, switch to built-in. When you use a wire drawing gun, let's choose external for this switch. This logo for the wire drawing gun. When using the manual soldering function, select manual soldering position. This short connector is not connected. Welding handle pliers connected to the positive electrode. Ground clamp to negative electrode. This select switch is turned on the built-in. This is the connection method of manual welding. When using manual welding, we just need to adjust the current. When we use an argon arc welding gun, function select switch to wipe argon arc welding. Just unplug our adapter and put it aside. Arc wiping argon arc welding gun switch connected to negative electrode. Ground wire connection to positive pole of arc wiping argon arc welding. This is the gas pipe for arc wiping argon arc welding. Arc wiping gas. Use this trachea. Just connected directly to the gas meter. When we use a wire drawing gun, the connector of our wire drawing gun is also a European connector, connected to the muzzle position. Tighten. This one is a gun switch. The gun switch I'm using now is a 4-core wire. The interface of our machine has 2 cores. Everyone must see clearly when carrying a gun. It needs a 2-core gun. I can't connect this now. Let me tell you. This is an adapter. The connection method of the adapter is still the same as that of the trachea. Solid welding wire is used for this wire drawing gun of yours. The adapter is connected to the positive electrode. When using flex cord welding wire, the adapter is connected to the negative electrode. I have a gas shielded welding function here. When we use the wire drawing gun, we should also choose gas shielded welding. And look at this. When we use a wire drawing gun, this switch can only be used if the external wire drawing gun function is selected. This machine can be connected to voltages of 220 and 380. In this video, we connect to 120 voltages. We regulate the current and voltage of electricity. This is the voltage knob. This is the current knob. Unified matching of current and voltage. When you use it, just adjust it according to the thickness of the plate.